Hi and welcome to Nisin's Accountant's YouTube channel, your trusted source for expert tax advice. Are you an accountant or tax agent helping clients get ready for making tax digital for income tax? In this video, we'll walk you through exactly how to sign up your clients using the HMRC online service step by step. First, before you begin the sign-up process, make sure you're ready. That means checking if your client needs to report self-employment or property income through making tax digital. Getting your client's permission to sign them up. Choosing HMRC recognized commercial software. Confirming their authorization in your agent services account. Once you're ready, head over to gov.uk and search Sign Up Your Client for Making Tax Digital for Income Tax. Click on How to Sign Up Your Client, read the guidance, and then select Sign Up Now. Now, log in with your government gateway ID and password. Enter your client's full name, date of birth, and national insurance number. If your client is eligible, you'll receive instant confirmation on screen. Next, you'll be asked whether you're using compatible software. If you select No, you'll be asked to return when you do. If you select Yes, you can proceed by selecting the tax year you want to start from. Now it's time to confirm your client's sources of self-employment or property income, one at a time. For each source, you'll need to enter the start date if it's within the last 2 years. Confirm the accounting method used. Once all income sources are checked and confirmed, you'll see an on-screen message confirming your client has been successfully signed up. If you need help understanding making tax digital or managing your client's compliance, Nisin's Accountants is here for you. Book a free consultation on 01217714161 for expert advice. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tax tips.